Welcome to the channel, everybody. We are currently in Orlando right now for the Daytona Bike Week. And today we want to discuss our itinerary for the entire week. We've been here 3 days now. We got here 2 days before the rally started.
Yes.
And if you come into Daytona, we want to tell you have a safe ride. Watch out for other motorists, watch out for other bikers. Get back home to your loved ones safely, because that's what it's all about. Coming here is one thing and getting back is another. But this is gonna be a pretty short video. We want to discuss our itinerary, what we have planned for this particular week while we are here. Like I said, we got here 2 days early because we just want to scope things out and see everything. But our itinerary is basically, we going with the flow. We don't have anything that we going with the flow. We don't have anything scheduled that we're planning on attending as far as the itinerary of the bike week in general. We just gonna go with the flow with everything. Go where we want to go, see what we want to see, meet up with people. Except we do have one scheduled meetup that we are not putting on, someone else is putting on. We're gonna be there for sure.
Right.
And we'll talk about that in a minute. But prior to that and after that, we're not planning on attending anything in particular. Right now, we're getting ready to head out to the Speedway. But there's some other people that we actually know coming that we're gonna meet up. So when we get their phone call, we're just gonna meet up with them and maybe they will have an itinerary that we're gonna do some things. But we just wanted to kind of mellow it out this time and kind of go with the flow with everything that's going on with this week. And we loving it out here so far. The weather has been great. Kake, do you know what time, what's the name meetup and what day, that one that we actually going to? I want to let them know that.
March the 7th, that's Friday, at 1 o'clock.
1 to 2:30?
I can check
somewhere
it out
around
right quick.
She's gonna look it up now because this meetup that we're going to, we didn't put it together. Another YouTuber that we really like watching, and hopefully you guys subscribe to his channel already, that's putting it together. We're gonna be at his meetup. I know it's gonna be at the Speedway at Harley Davidson booth. We know that for sure. So we are definitely gonna be there once Kate get these scheduled.
Yes, it's from 1:30, but we'll be there between 1 and 2.
Okay.
So it goes from 1 to 2 o'clock. So there you have it.
And that is Just GQ. You guys know him. He's our brother from New Orleans, Louisiana. He's gonna be there to meet up. And if
And
you
he's a Saints fan.
and I know. And if you know of any other meetups, let us know. We could possibly get it. We can guarantee we're gonna be there. That's one of the reasons we don't want to go by a schedule. We're just gonna go with the flow and get the most out of this rally that we can get. We do that a lot. And if somebody have a meetup, we don't mind meeting and riding with people. So if you available Friday, the 7th, you say, baby?
The 7th, March 7th.
At 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock.
Yeah, be at the International Speedway with Just GQ meetup. I know he's gonna be taking questions, talking to everybody. I think he may have some giveaways also. So and you get a chance to meet him and hopefully come out and say hi to us. But we've been on the road for a long time, and it's gonna be something that our last thing that we're doing in Florida.
Oh.
Although after the meetup, what? You heard the baby?
No, I heard a click.
Oh,
There's
after the
cars.
meetup, we are going, we're gonna be in Florida for 2 more days, then we're headed out back on our road trip.
Yes.
Once again, I didn't want to make this too much of a longer video. Just want to kind of give you our itinerary for this week. Basically, it's going with the floor. Hopefully we can get to ride the Ormond Loop.
Hopefully.
We're probably gonna ride up to St. Augustine to meet with.
Hopefully. Yes.
Tell you
The
that.
cousins. Tamika and Vernon.
And
Tamika
then,
and Vernon.
and then somebody else coming to town.
John D. and Linda.
Yes, we're gonna meet
We're
with
gonna
them
meet
also.
with them.
So John D and Linda, y'all watching this, and Vernon and Tamika, y'all watching this, we definitely still gonna meet up with you guys and ride and have a good time. Go grab something to eat, look at all the festivities.
And we're gonna meet with Austin
Oh yeah.
from Maryland.
And Lady Williams said they're not coming out, right?
No, they're not coming.
Okay. So anyway, that's all we got for this video. We want to make it really short and kind of give you our itinerary, which there really isn't any itinerary for this meetup or for this bike week. But if y'all riding, remember, ride long, ride hard, ride strong, and most importantly,
Ride safe.
from Boots and Jeans Riders, I'm Rich,
Y'all know I'm Kake.
and we out. Peace. Now I'm gonna press record.